Welcome to this tutorial on how to get an IBAN with Wise. An IBAN, or International Bank Account Number, is a unique code used to identify a specific bank account globally. Wise is a financial technology company that provides borderless banking services, allowing you to receive and send money internationally with low fees. To get started, you need to create a Wise account. Go to the Wise website and click on Sign Up. Enter your email address and choose a password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent by Wise. Once you have created your account, you need to add a bank account. Click on the Get Started button and select the type of account you want to add. Enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Wise will then send a small deposit to your account to verify it. After your account is verified, you can apply for an IBAN. Click on the Accounts tab and select the account you want to get an IBAN for. Click on the Get IBAN button and follow the instructions. Wise will then generate an IBAN for you, which you can use to receive international payments. It is essential to note that Wise IBANs are virtual accounts, and you do not need to have a physical bank account to use them. You can use your Wise IBAN to receive payments from friends, family, or clients worldwide. Wise will then convert the payment to your local currency and deposit it into your linked bank account. To receive payments, provide your Wise IBAN to the sender, along with the corresponding BIC or SWIFT code. The sender can then use these details to send the payment to your Wise account. Wise will handle the conversion and deposit the funds into your linked account. In conclusion, getting an IBAN with Wise is a straightforward process that can be completed online. By following these steps, you can create a Wise account, add a bank account, and apply for an IBAN. You can then use your Wise IBAN to receive international payments with low fees and no hassle. Wise is a secure and reliable platform that provides borderless banking services, making it easy to manage your finances globally.